Hi friends, so this video shows how to create your first Helm chart. So let me run dot slash Helm, so that is the name of the Helm binary, then list. It will list all the Helm charts which you created. Right now I haven't created any chart. Let me create a new chart. So for that you can run this command Helm create sample chart. It will create a sample Helm chart. You can see the Helm sample chart folder. Inside that you can see the charts folder, chart.yaml file, values.yaml. So let me create a let me install the chart which I created. You can install a chart using Helm install command. So in Helm install command you need to pass the name for the chart which you are going to install, then the location of the chart where you stored this chart.yaml at values.yaml file. Then the service type I am setting here as load balancer. This is the location of the chart. This is the name of the chart. So let me run this command. So here it's showing the chart name Helm-test1 already exists. Okay, so actually I deleted that chart, but we need to delete it properly with hyphen purge option. So let me copy this command and run it. Helm delete hyphen purge helm hyphen test1. Okay, deleted. Let me clear the screen and run Helm install again. Okay, done. So let me list. So now you can see Helm list is showing the chart which we installed. You can see the chart name here and status showing deployed. So actually this chart deploy one Kubernetes Docker container and a service. So let me check the services. You can run kubectl get services and you can see the services created, and the external IP you can just copy it and just run curl the external IP, then you will get the default page from Nginx web server. So that means our installation of our chart is has completed successfully. You can try this command like kubectl get pods. It will show all the pods created, then get deployments. There is a lot of commands. You can try it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.